free time today, so we'll go ahead and start messing with this K20 a little bit. I'm trying to get it prepped a little bit, do a few things, try and get it ready to go in the car here. Obviously I'm still, the main thing, still got to get a timing kit for it, you know, the chain, tensioner, guides and all that, so we can get the timing stuff serviced on it before we can put it in the car. Other than that, today just gonna get it cleaned up, take a few things off of it, and just check out the general condition of it. So let's look at it real quick. So I want to take this intake manifold off, and pull the valve cover off so we can take a look at the valve train, just see how it looks in there. Got a cheap bolt for them to throw on to plug this up. So I'm pulling this off. I've actually already taken this off, which is a complete pain. If you've never done it before, prepare to be really annoyed. So you're probably not going to get the bolt out with an impact. I tried it with my snap-on and I knew it probably wasn't going to work, but I tried it anyway. But what you're going to want is one of these Honda crank pulley tools, and it's basically the same on these newer ones all the way up to the older D series stuff. Pretty much the same tool, so if you buy it you'll probably get some more use out of it. But that's all you do, put it on there, use a breaker bar or something. If this is in the car, you can brace this against the ground. Take the other one, the appropriate size socket, put it in there. Like I said, it's already loose, but this will hold it. The tool will hold it so you can actually turn the bolt without the whole engine turning. Yeah, it's still annoying to do it on the stand because it's so tight. I had this 3/4 inch breaker bar, but I had to put a cheater pipe on it, and I had to get somebody to hold the engine so that I wouldn't tip the engine stand and everything over while I was trying to do this. But anyway, I already got that off. So also I want to clean it up, get a lot of this old gunk and grease and stuff off of here. I didn't feel like going and buying anything, so I'm just going to use some stuff I got around here. I got some purple degreaser, also got some half a can of engine degreaser. Another thing I've used before in a pinch, I probably wouldn't use it in the car because it's probably not very good on the paint, but some oven cleaner is something else I just had laying around. So all that stuff combined with a little cheap brush from the dollar store, and get most of that gunk off of there. So we'll go ahead and pull this already loose balancer off, and pull this intake manifold off, and then go from there and get it cleaned up. Alright, got it off. Relatively clean on the inside. So yeah, I definitely have valve cover gasket leak, which isn't a big deal. Other than that, it looks pretty clean on the inside, so it's good. So I got everything pretty well plugged up on this thing, so I'm going to go ahead and roll it outside and get it sprayed down, see if we can't get some of this junk off of it. see some aluminum now. I think we just took 50,000 miles off this thing. Not only does it get your engine nice and clean, it leaves it with the fresh lemony scent. Okay, so got the engine cleaned up, washed off, took and blew it off a little bit and rolled it in here so we can kind of check it out. Not too bad. Whenever I go back and start changing things on it, I'll take a little bit more time. Take me a toothbrush or a gun cleaning brush and get in here in these hard to get through spots and get some of this stuff. But alright, let's check it out. Okay, so already looks a lot better. Like I said, I need to get in here and some of these spots here, but overall not too bad. This here I didn't spend a whole lot of time in it. But yeah, eventually I'm gonna, when I pull this timing cover off to do the chain and stuff, you know, we'll take the time to clean this up a little better. And same deal with the water pump. Whenever I switch that out, we'll take the time to clean that thing up. All the accessories here, just not bad for just an initial run, which is good to clean it off before you really get to working on it. That way you don't, as you're taking things off, you don't want dirt, stuff falling down into the oil pan or in the head or anything like that. So, but yeah, not too bad. Alright, so next what we'll do, next time we work on this project, we'll get the timing stuff. We'll do a new chain, OEM chain, guides, tensioner, all that stuff. Do that, set the timing on it. And also we'll check and see if it's the one on it, see if it's stretched or anything, just out of curiosity. So we'll get that, get the stuff squared away. Anything that'll be interchangeable that we can use off the newer engine, we'll put it on this one, just for better service down the road. Just keep checking back and hopefully we'll have more progress on it soon.